Are you planning a trip to Thailand and want to stay connected without the usual hassles? Today, I'll show you why an eSIM card is your best travel companion for seamless connectivity, saving money, and simplifying your travel experience. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Perry, and I'm passionate about sharing travel tips to make your journeys through Thailand easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're diving into the world of eSIM cards and why they're the ideal choice for travelers heading to Thailand. So what exactly is an eSIM? It stands for embedded SIM. Unlike traditional SIM cards, which you physically insert into your phone, an eSIM is built into your device. It's digital and allows you to download a new profile from your service provider, eliminating the need to swap out cards. Convenient, right? Now, why should you consider using an eSIM, especially for your trip to Thailand? Here's why. Convenience. Imagine landing in Thailand and not having to search for a local SIM card or joining a long queue. With an eSIM, you can activate your plan before you even leave home. No more fiddling with tiny SIM cards or hunting for open shops when you're tired from your flight. Cost savings, eSIMs often come with better data rates compared to traditional SIM cards. Providers like Airalo offer affordable, travel-friendly plans that can save you a lot compared to expensive roaming charges from your home provider. Flexibility. With an eSIM, you can switch between different carriers and plans without needing to change physical cards. This is perfect if you're traveling through multiple countries or need a backup plan in case your data runs out. A backup plan always makes sense, right? Stay connected. One of the best features of an eSIM is that you can keep your primary SIM for calls and texts while using the eSIM for data. This means you stay connected to home and enjoy fast, reliable internet abroad. Now, let's talk about how to get started with an eSIM in Thailand. I personally recommend Airalo for their excellent service and great coverage. Check compatibility. First, ensure your phone supports eSIMs. Most newer models do, but it's always good to check. Airalo's website has a list of compatible devices. I'll leave a link below. Purchase your plan. Go to the Airalo website or download their app. Select Thailand or any of the 200 countries listed. Choose a data plan that fits your needs and make your purchase. Plans are available from as low as $9.90 for Thailand, depending on your data requirements. Install the eSIM. After buying, you'll get a QR code or an installation link. Simply scan the code or follow the link on your phone. It's a quick process that takes just a few minutes. Activate and enjoy. Once installed, activate your eSIM and start using your data plan. It's really that simple. Let me share a quick personal experience. On my brother's last trip to Thailand, he landed in Bangkok and was immediately able to navigate to his hotel I reserved for him, find the best local spots, and stay in touch with friends, all thanks to my eSIM. No queues, no stress, just seamless connectivity. We'll delve deeper into Airalo eSIM features next. Now let's look at why Airalo's eSIM is a fantastic choice for your travels in Thailand. This isn't just about staying connected, it's about enhancing your entire travel experience. Wide coverage and reliable service. Airalo provides excellent coverage across Thailand, from the bustling streets of Bangkok to the tranquil beaches of Phuket and Koh Chang. You'll have access to high-speed data almost everywhere, ensuring you can share your adventures and stay updated. Affordable data plans. Airalo offers a range of data plans, from small packages for light users to extensive options for those who love streaming and sharing. You can find plans starting at $9.90 up to comprehensive packages for longer stays. This flexibility means you can choose a plan that fits your budget and data needs perfectly. Easy top-up options. Running low on data? No worries. Airalo lets you top up your eSIM directly through their app or website. This ensures you're never out of touch and can continue enjoying uninterrupted internet access. No hidden fees. One of the best aspects of Airalo is the transparency in pricing. There are no hidden fees or surprise charges, allowing you to manage your budget effectively and avoid unexpected costs. To give you a clearer picture, let's go through some real-life scenarios where an eSIM can be incredibly useful during your trip to Thailand. Imagine arriving in Bangkok and needing to find your hotel or the best street food spot. With an eSIM, you can access maps and navigation apps instantly, avoiding the stress of getting lost or missing out on top destinations. Whether it's keeping in touch with friends and family back home or coordinating with fellow travelers, having reliable internet is essential. An eSIM ensures you're always connected without the worry of expensive roaming charges or unreliable Wi-Fi. With an eSIM, you can easily find local events, book last-minute tours, and discover hidden gems not listed in guidebooks. This enriches your travel experience and helps you make the most of your time in Thailand. Here are a few tips to maximize your eSIM usage in Thailand. Keep an eye on your data consumption to avoid running out at critical moments. Most eSIM apps, including Airalo's, allow real-time data tracking. While it's great to have internet access, it's wise to download offline maps of your destination. This ensures you have a backup in areas with limited coverage. When accessing sensitive information like online banking or personal accounts, ensure you're using a secure connection. Avoid public Wi-Fi and rely on your eSIM for a safer internet experience. So there you have it. Using an eSIM, especially with Airalo, keeps you connected and makes your trip to Thailand smoother, more enjoyable and cost-effective. Whether you're a backpacker exploring new places or a holidaymaker relaxing on the beach, an eSIM is the perfect travel companion. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and lots of stuff about living in Thailand. And don't forget to check out my blog at thinglishlifestyle.com. You'll find a link below for a detailed guide on the best eSIM options for Thailand. Let's make your next adventure a connected one. Thanks for watching and remember to live a life less ordinary. Kop kun na kap.